Alrighty folks, this is the Pupperdor Giveaway video. As you know, Ginger NYC has already won the first Pupperdor. The video didn't save on my Instagram feed, but I'm going to run it again just so that there's no bias and everyone gets a second chance to win one. So I'm going to go ahead and take that list that I had. As you can see, this is that list here. We have 47 folks on it. We're going to remove Ginger from that list. So I'll just show you that I'm removing him. Alrighty, and now we're down to 46 there. So we're going to take this list, we're going to drop it into our wheel decide. We'll go into here, paste that list. Alright, we have all of our users there. Make sure we don't have Ginger in there. I don't see him. Plays. Nope. Alright, and then we're going to add in our timer. So we'll hit the generate 3 times between 1 and 60, 51, 29, and 11. So it's going to be 11-second spinner. Alright, we'll go down here. Go to advanced options, 11 seconds. Apply wheel changes. Alright, we're ready to go. And here we go. And your second winner. Ooh, just by a hair? Thubler. So, we'll just come right into here and we'll say and user Thubler. I believe I spelled that right. I don't know where he's at. Thubler. There it is. Alright, congratulations, Ginger. Congratulations, Thubler.